विश्व में हमने युवाओं की IT एनर्जी के माध्यम से अपना एक रुतबा खड़ा किया है और भारत इसके बात के लिए गर्व कर सकता है। दुनिया में हम आंख में आंख मिला करके बात कर सकते हैं। और ये मेरा साथ मैं हमेशा कहता आया हूँ, IT plus IT is equal to IT. Information technology plus Indian talent is equal to India tomorrow.
Hello everybody, I am Karthik Sharma, Managing Editor for eGov and eHealth Vertical in Elite Technomedia, and I welcome all of you at the award ceremony of second Elite BFSI GameChangers Summit and Awards. And we had a wonderful 3-day summit on 18th, 19th, and this is the last day, 20th of the BFSI GameChangers Summit. And in the end, we are closing the summit with a wonderful award ceremony with great achievers of BFSI sector, innovators, technology leaders, and who are doing some great work in this and contributing to the growth of this sector, BFSI sector. Today, on behalf of Elite Technomedia, I welcome the audience also, the huge audience which is joining us on Avatar virtual 3D platform, an in-house virtual platform by Elite Technomedia, highly interactive, and that we all have seen that in last 3 days, how great interaction has happened on this Avatar platform. And now requesting audience to chair our award winners of today. So I will first request the founder and CEO of Elite Technomedia and editor-in-chief of all the publications, including the Banking and Finance Post magazine, Dr. Ravi Gupta, to please welcome the award winners, the audience, and all the people joining us here in this award ceremony. Dr. Ravi Gupta. You're on mute, sir. If you can please unmute yourself.
Sorry. Namaskar, everyone. Welcome you all at this grand award ceremony, and we are honored to have you with us. And we are very, very excited to have this event where we are honoring our leaders in the digital ecosystem in this BFSI sector for their innovative work they are doing. Thank you so much. Welcome.
Thank you, Dr. Ravi Gupta. And before we start this award ceremony, I would invite on screen a special guest for the ceremony, Mr. Sanjeev Chok, who is the head of Cloud BU and Service Delivery Excellence in Quality Kiosk, to please join Mr. Sanjeev Chok.
Welcome, Sanjeev.
Mr. Sanjeev Chok, if you please on your camera.
Yeah. Thank you, Karthik. Thank you, Ravi. Sorry for the delay.
Not at all.
You're on time. And welcome, Mr. Sanjeev. I hope you will enjoy and you will love to see the award winners today. receiving awards for their success stories in BFSI sector.
Yes, definitely. And it's always a pleasure to be a part of, the winning team, So thank you so much.
Right. So now we will start the award ceremony, and we'll start with the first winner, the leaders who we are felicitating in the BFSI GameChanger Award. The first felicitation I would like to announce in AWS presents second ILETS BFSI GameChanger Summit powered by Backbase. In the award ceremony, would like to announce the first person, and BFSI GameChanger Awards 2021 proudly presented to Vivek Bhavale, Deputy Chief Technology Officer of Equitas Small Finance Bank. And we hereby present this BFSI GameChanger Award 2021 to you, Mr. Vivek, for your exemplary contribution to the BFSI industry. And we wish you many, many congratulations. And I request you to say a few words, please, Mr. Vivek.
Sure. Thank you so much, first of all, for giving me this opportunity. So digital transformation, everybody thinks of it as just a mobile app, hybrid technology or native development, etc. But when it comes to digital transformation, one of the key things is the availability has to be 24/7. We have to keep monitoring the performance and other stuff. So anybody, any vendor, any partner who will help you do all this is the key to partner with. And I'm very happy to state that, I've associated with some good partners who are part of this event. And thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you so much, and many, many congratulations.
Thank you.
Let us request Mr. Sanjeev Chuk to award Mr. Vivek.
Yeah, so I'll also briefly like to, congratulate Vivek. He's the Deputy CTO for the Equitas Small Finance Bank. He led the IT deployments that have made a significant contribution to the acceleration of the digital transformation at Equitas Small Finance Bank, and has continued focus on building the capabilities across the new age technology to deliver differentiated value for their customers. So congratulations again, Vivek, and really a great achievement for you and your bank.
Thanks, Sanjeev. Thanks.
Congratulations, Mr. Vivek Bhavale. And thank you, Mr. Sanjeev Chok, Head of Cloud BU and Service Delivery Excellence, Quality Kiosk. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Vivek. And now we'll be moving on to the next winner of ILETS BFSI GameChangers Award. And in the presence of Dr. Ravi Gupta and Mr. Sanjeev Chuk, we'll be presenting the second award to Mr. Abhay Jauhari, Design Authority, ICICI Bank. We hereby present you the BFSI GameChanger Award 2021, Mr. Abhay, for your exemplary contribution to the BFSI industry. And can I request you to please switch on your camera, Mr. Jauhari? Yeah, that's very many congratulations, Mr. Jauhari. And with congratulations, we'll also request you to please say a few words and tell us about your experience in this industry.
We have been at, we faced the brunt of this entire disruption that actually began with demonetization and then continued from pandemic onwards. And glad to say that, pretty much the industry is held out. The point is that, some brands are born digital, some achieve mastery over it, and, some are just resigned to the history of it. So I think the three important things is to, think fast, act fast, because this disruption is not going to be a one-time event. Yes, it will continue there. So thank you again for the honor.
Requesting Mr. Sanjay Chuk to say a word for congratulations.
Yeah, Congratulations, Abhay. Really a proud moment. Of course, we are also very proud to be associated with the bank and with you in various, various solutions and other things which we do as a joint consortium. So congratulations, Abhay. So for everyone, Abhay is the digital head for strategy at ICICI Bank. He has played an instrumental role in driving large transformation projects across the bank and currently leading crucial initiative of digital strategy in one of the leading banks in India, where they would be re-engineering the entire bank's digital outlook. So obviously, Abhay, a great contribution and a game changer, I would say feat for you and the team. Thank you so much. Congratulations again.
Thank you.
Thank you and congratulations, Abhayji.
Congratulations,
Lifting the trophy.
I think it is very important to recognize it boosts the morale of people who are actually putting best of their efforts contributing to the industry, and it gives a sense of honor and pleasure for ELETs and to recognize these game changers, real game changers of the industry. And now we will be moving on to the next award, and we'll have it presented on screen, please. And this award is proudly presented to Mr. Jagdish Narayanan, Chief Information Officer of Reliance Jio Payments Bank. And we hereby present this BFSI Game Changer Award 2021 to you, Mr. Jagdish Narayanan, for your great work in the BFSI industry. Let's have Mr. Jagdish Narayanan speak about it.
Hi, this is Jagdish Narayanan here. I'm the CIO of Reliance Jio Payments Bank. To me, the game-changing technologies, platforms that all of us, many of us are into is fundamentally the fact that everything is now moving digital. You can do your entire finance. The finance is where the customer is. We don't want to do anything where the customer needs to move out of his convenience or bring paperwork. Everything is digitized, from video KYCs to electronic payments to electronic certifications to payment apps embedded into other merchant apps. Everything. To me, that is a game changer. It brings finance to everyone's fingertips in the most literal sense. It doesn't have to be anything more easier than that. Thank you very much. Thank you, Game Changers Award by Quality Kiosk Candlelights. Thank you.
Congratulations, Dr. Ravi Gupta and Sanjeev. Would like to say a few words about the award winner.
Congratulations to him, and requesting Sanjeev to give a word of congratulations.
Thanks, Ravi. So Jagdish Narayanan, he is the CIO of Reliance Jio Payments Bank. As here we see the demo, he couldn't attend a show because he had some urgent prior commitment. So he has a track record of leadership in chosen areas of business and large-scale rollouts. The Jio Payments Bank is one such initiative that has made a transformative impact on India's financial inclusion landscape. Acting as a catalyst towards a cashless society, Jio has co-created an ecosystem to provide accessible, simple, and affordable banking solutions to all constituents of our country, especially the financially excluded. So congratulations, Jagdish, again. But really would have been great if you would have been in person, but we'll definitely meet you in person. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Congratulations to Jagdish, and thank you so much, Mr. Sanjeev Chugh. You spared your time and you have been here in this award ceremony. Mr. Sanjeev Chugh, Head of Cloud BU and Service Delivery Excellence in Quality Kiosk. And thank you so much, Mr. Chugh, for being here, and appreciation. And
thank you.
Respect.
Thanks, Karthik. Thanks, Ravi, for inviting us and inviting me especially, and on behalf of Quality Kiosk. It's always a pleasure to interact with such distinguished delegates and contribute to the society. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sanjeev. Thanks for joining us. I'm glad to have you with us.
Thank you, Sanjeev. And now we'll be moving on to the next award, the next award winner. With great pleasure, we announce Mr. John Varghese, Head of IT and Digital Banking in Dhanlaxmi Bank, presenting him the BFSI GameChanger Award 2021 for his exemplary work in the BFSI sector. Mr. John Varghese, many, many congratulations, Mr. John. Congratulating Mr. John. I think he's here. Mr. John, can you please on your camera?
Yeah, I'm there.
Yes. Yeah. Congratulations, and please say a few words, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much for the award. It's wonderful to be amidst all of you and getting this award. And though Dhanlaxmi Bank is a small bank, we had moved ahead in digital, banking. The transformation. The last 2 years was a great year for all of us in Dhanlaxmi Bank. We have upgraded our core banking system, and most of the technology and the security related. I believe that collaboration is the key. Collaboration with our partners, collaboration with all we work together in the organization is the key for giving seamless experience to the customers who will feel that they are at home, still feel they can do the banking service with ease at the comfort, be in the home. So I feel that collaboration is the key, be it our partners, be it our own peers in the bank. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the award. Thank you.
Congratulations, John, and thanks for being here. And we are honored to have you with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Congratulations again.
Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations, Mr. John. So now we'll be moving on to the next award of BFSI Game Changer Awards in ILET's BFSI Game Changer Summit. And this award goes to one of the great experts of the industry, Mr. Shibu PS, the Chief Information Security Officer of Indian Bank, presenting you the BFSI Game Changer Award 2021 for your exemplary contribution to the BFSI industry, Mr. Shibu PS, Indian Bank. Many, many congratulations, sir. Sir, if you can please on your camera.
Mr. Shibu, welcome here, and requesting you to please.
Am I audible now? Am I visible?
Yes, not yet. Not yet.
You are audible properly, but your camera is not showing yet.
Let me check it up 1 minute.
Sure.
Yeah, I think it's perfect now.
Yes.
Yeah, sorry for the delay.
So you have.
Thank you, Alerts Media. Thank you, Alerts Media. As Dr. Ravi Gupta was pointing out, the season was challenging for the last 1.5 years. Really, it was challenging for the banking industry. We had to manage with the people, we had to provide a facility to the people, and we had to safeguard the life of the employees. And at the same time, we should not lose the customer convenience by providing right technology at the right time. And as far as providing the technology is concerned, the season was so challenging. So we were traditionally what we were doing, that we had to deviate from those kind of providing the technology. So I think we were 100% we were successful. And the biggest challenge was during this time we were into that amalgamation. The Allahabad Bank was amalgamated to Indian Bank. So that was the biggest challenge and change for any organization. And that too happened in this COVID situation, this pandemic time. But we were able to succeed all these things, and we were able to give 100% convenience to the customers as well as for the employees by providing work from home.
And thanks to the technology also, and our entire banking team, entire Indian bank team, especially IT team, worked well to without giving any troublesome for the government as well as and for the employees also, for the employees, for the government, for the customers. So we were successfully amalgamated also during this COVID time. But unfortunately, during this time, we lost some valuable life of our employees also. Many of the employees, they had to succumb to COVID. And that was really unfortunate. And while giving heartfelt tribute to those my colleagues who lost a life, I once again thank Highlights Media for honoring me with this kind of award. Thank you, Highlights Media.
Thank you, Shibu. Thanks for joining in, and thanks for highlighting the various challenges we all have faced in this situation. And thanks to people like you who have really been on the forefront and handled this challenge very, very well, and taken our digital banking sector to new heights. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, and congratulations, Mr. Shibu.
Thank you.
Thank you. And now we'll be moving on to the next award in BFSI GameChanger Awards. And let's have the next award on screen, please. And this award goes to Mr. Sankarsan Banerjee, Chief Information Officer of RBL Bank. We present this BFSI GameChanger.
Mansi, he will leave. मैं क्या करूं?
Mansi, can you please mute yourself? We hereby present BFSI GameChanger Award 2021 to you for your exemplary contribution to the BFSI industry, Mr. Sankarsan Banerjee. Many, many congratulations, and we request you to say a few words, please.
Hi. Thanks to ELETS and AWS for the award, and I'm honored to receive it. You know, this has been a very exciting time and a challenging time for the banking industry. The pandemic has caused a huge disruption in Indian banking, made us forcefully digital even where we did not want to be. And also, as part of the various initiatives by the government of India, by consumers, we have become a dramatically more digital economy than we were 2 years ago. And it's been a very good time as well to be in banking because we were part of this transformation. My message is actually quite simple. Digital is simpler than most people think. People are still, I see a lot of people still scared of taking the transition from the old world to the new world. And as the pandemic has proved, when pushed to the corner, we have actually transited very quickly and it has been easier than we thought. And we should continue this momentum. We should not hold on to the old way of doing things. And second is that we have to start using our imagination in the new world, not carry over what we thought was good in the old world. You know, rethink the constraints, rethink what can be done. And some people have done fantastic work in this rethinking. So we can copy other people's ideas and also have our own ideas. Just be a bit braver. Digital is easier and more potential than we think it is.
Right.
Fantastic, Mr. Banerjee, and I think your point about the dramatic transformation in the banking sector in the last 2 years is very, very important. And I liked your statement, especially that we had to become digital even in those areas where we were not interested. So, of course, this COVID has changed our mindsets, changed our overall thinking process about digital. And we have to, I think, live digital, drink digital, and breathe digital, and sleep digital. And congratulations to CIOs like you who have really taken digital initiatives to the new heights and made your banking so much successful, especially in these challenging times of last 1.5 years. Thank you so much, and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thanks, Mr. Banerjee. And as you said, that we have to be a little brave, to go more and more digital in this sector. And I think in this award ceremony, our audience is getting a lot of success mantras from the people who are actually doing, creating success stories in the industry. So great to have all of you receiving this award and sharing your, success mantras. Thank you so much, Mr. Banerjee.
Welcome, and thanks again for the award. And
congratulations. Thank you so much.
With that, now we'll be moving on to the next award. And let's have the next award on screen, please. This award goes to Mr. Ayan Dey, Chief Technology Officer of Exide Life Insurance. We present this BFSI GameChanger Award 2021 to you, Mr. Dey, for your exemplary contribution in the BFSI sector. And while congratulating you, I request you to please say a few words and give your success mantra to our audience, please.
Thank you, Let's Technomedia. Am I audible and visible?
Perfect.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much for this award. This means a lot, for the entire digital engineering team, which has been working tirelessly in the background for the last, I would say, almost now 24 months. So while yes, the entire industry was hit by the pandemic in the 18 months or so, but for some reason we realized that the biggest disruption factor for our industry was actually the customer. And this is something which we realized almost 2 to 3 years back, and that is where we started focusing on. And of course, I come from an industry where you understand that it's a complex financial product, and it's a push product. And unless someone actually goes and explains in person, it is difficult even for people who understand finance to go and understand the product and finally get into a financial commitment for the next 20-25 years. So in that scenario, when the pandemic hit and there was absolutely no way for the agents to go out in the market and meet physically the customers, overnight the industry had to come up to the terms and create a proper digital platform on which this entire engagement could be done. And I'm happy to say and share that today the entire sales process, and it's a complex sales process because you look for so many validations, so much documentation, medical tests, the entire payment part of it, all of that has completely become a paperless process. It's a complete office out of the mobile device carried by our field agents. So, and this has been only possible because not only the thought to which we woke up to about 24 months back, just before the pandemic struck, but also it was sharpened and accelerated during the last 18 months or so. And for us, basically, there has been only two mantras: that customer remains the center of your universe. And second, the agile way of the digital world, that is fail fast and move ahead. And we have been religiously following this. And I think to a certain extent, we have been quite successful in this. So thank you once again. And of course, I have also enjoyed some of the invigorating and brainstorming sessions in the last three days, meeting panelists across industries, which also gave us a different view from different industries and different thought processes. Thank you once again.
Thank you. And congratulations, Ayanji. And I think that you have explained so well that insurance is a very, very difficult product to sell, complex product, and making that digital sales possible, digital marketing possible, and digitally reaching out to all the customers is a Herculean task. And I think your organization has been taking up that initiative. And as you mentioned, your office in a mobile concept, all your agents getting digitally enabled is a big achievement. And congratulations to you and your organization, Exide Life Insurance, for achieving this. Hats off to you and your organization.
Congratulations, Mr. Ayan Dey. And really, great, overwhelming experience to see all these winners at one platform receiving award for their success. And now we'll be moving on to the next award for the ceremony. Please have the next award on screen, please. And this award goes to Mr. Sachin Datta, Chief Operating Officer of Canara HSBC Oriental Bank of Commerce Life Insurance Corporation Limited. We hereby present this BFSI Game Changer Award 2021 to you, Mr. Datta, for your exemplary contribution in the BFSI sector. While congratulating you, may I request Mr. Datta to please say a few words.
Good afternoon, and I hope I'm visible and audible. Many thanks for Dr. Ravi Gupta and also to Karthik, to the organization ELETS. I think platforms like these, and the Game Changer, the name Game Changer is very different to transformation. I think you guys are taking things to the next level. I also wanted to share, pretty similar life insurance, similar challenges that my friend from Excite Life did mention. We were on a transformation journey. We are on a transformation journey. So some of the learnings that we've kind of picked up, customer remains core to the transformation. It's very important. And also, the other contributor to the transformation is employees. How would the employee operate to the process that you transform eventually becomes very, very critical. And I think from a customer perspective, the customers today now see all the processes. So for underwriting, for all the processes in the life insurance sector, what were called as a back-end process are now pretty much a front-end process. Head office now becomes mobile office. So, there's a lot of transformation or the game-changing moments, if I can use that word, just to borrow it from, your tagline over there. A lot of game-changing moments for the industry, a lot of game-changing moments for people. And I think for us as well, we've also moved over the last 2 years from being an on-prem organization to a cloud, ready organization. And, of course, leveraging cloud as one of the very important, value to the entire system, and also investing heavily on analytics and mobility. So we believe cloud adoption, analytics, and mobility are the game-changing events that the insurance industry would kind of experience. And of course, all of this is being done to simplify things for the customer, make it easy, make it more approachable for the customer, and also make it simple for employees. So I believe that that's something which is important from a transformation standpoint, and planning is critical. And I believe Abhay did mention about, I was hearing Abhay and another friend of mine from RBL, sharing a lot of experiences on Agile. So I couldn't disagree with them. I completely endorse their view. Requires a lot of planning, a lot of passion, but at the same time, a lot of patience as well. So that, those are some of my thoughts, and many thanks for this award. It does motivate the team, and I'm taking that on behalf of a very important technology team that I head, and also the operations team, that I take care of, and also accepting in all humbleness on behalf of our customers who've given us the opportunity to serve them in a different manner each time we serve them. So many thanks to this great platform, and many thanks to Dr. Ravi Gupta, for your kind consideration.
Congratulations, Sachin ji, and I think as you have highlighted, this journey has been very, very dramatic, fast, and agile. And organizations like you have risen to the occasion, and your team has risen to the occasion, and actually created digital products and digital experience for the customers, which is very, very important. So congratulations, and thank you for joining this forum, and hats off to you and your team for this success. Congratulations.
Many thanks. Many thanks. Many thanks for this.
Congratulations, Mr. Sachin, and it's really a wonderful experience of, knowing about these leaders and your ideas and your vision in such award ceremonies. And now we'll be moving on to the next award. And this award, I request my team to please present it on screen. And the next award goes to Mr. Shiv Kumar Bhasin, Group Chief Technology Officer for National Stock Exchange of India Limited. Very well known and popular leader in terms of technology in BFSI sector. And it is always a pleasure and honor to host Mr. Shiv Kumar Bhasin on any platform of ELETS. And here we congratulate you, Mr. Shiv Kumar, for this award. And I request you to please say a few words.
Thank you, Karthik, and thank you, Ravi. Hopefully, I think you can hear me.
Yes.
Yeah. So I think it's a pleasure to see you after a long time. I remember, those pre-corona days, and then, yeah, I know that normally you guys used to have your these events organized in the Nariman Point, or the Kolava area. And so we miss those days actually a lot. That where the industry get together used to happen and a lot of ideas used to get exchanged. However, this period of last 18 months to 2 years have been, I think very, very unimaginable, digital acceleration. Lot of programs in this period we kicked off, which we could not have imagined in a normal or ordinary circumstances. I have kicked off a very large digital transformation program for exchange, which when we kicked off, it was a pre-corona period. And when we signed up for this program, it was we were in the middle of corona period. And since then, since last around 15 months, this program is running and 400 people are working. And we are using multi-cloud environment to execute this program, where the entire developer environment is on the AWS. And the hybrid cloud is the one where the source code control systems are there, and the production environments, being a regulatory entity, is on the private cloud on premise. So you can see, this was totally unimaginable. This we would not have got it. This was the need of the hour, and the corona period accelerated it towards that vision. And further, we have launched few services on the cloud, where we are the largest corporate warehouse of the India, and our data has been made available on the cloud for a lot of researchers, which when they market researchers, when they wanted any data from exchange, there was a cycle time of like 4 months, and to get the permission and to retrieve the data and draw out some insights. And sometimes they never used to get that permission as well. But now the technology has made it available that over a period of 12 hours, they get the approval and they get the restricted space. They get the data which is masked for any PI data, and they can carry out the insights, and they remain fully compliant. They don't, they can't access or they can't take away the data. They can access and read the data, and they can draw the insights out of it. And only insights can be going out of their workspace on the cloud. So this entire workflow is on the cloud, warehouse is on the cloud, and taking the insights, running the advanced analytics program is also on the cloud. So this service has been a very, very popular. And another very important thing has happened during this corona period. Before I go there, that in the digital transformation as well, a lot of around 100 processes we have taken up, and out of those 35 are about to go live as well. And there, the exchange had a lot of paper, a lot of manual steps, which used to take somewhere from 2 days to 45 days, and everything has been brought down from anywhere from 2 minutes to 30 minutes. Longest running process will be the 30 minutes, which involves the depositories or other regulators or other participants. So wherever there is a 2 or 3 entities are involved, then only the process could be running into 30 minutes. But if it is just all NSE as a single stakeholder and the member, clearing member, trading member, custodians, then all the business processes which used to run for 45 days, they have been brought down to 5 minutes. And no paper, zero paper, and complete digital transformation and real-time gratification while remaining in fully compliant with all kinds of different kind of ID certificates, which were bringing a lot of paperwork earlier. They have been totally converted into the fully digital artifacts. And it is not a digitalization. It is a totally the reimagination of the business processes, reinvention of the grounds up, the applications which are cloud ready right now when they are getting deployed on containers on premise because of the regulatory reasons. But any day, whenever the capital market will be ready to get hosted on the public cloud, these applications can be swung to the public cloud on day one. That's how they have been architected. And the third important thing which I was trying to share earlier, the need of the hour has, as you can see that we have 18 months, we have been running this exchange from while working remotely from home. And we never had any disruption throughout this period. And while there was one small disruption that has made us learn that how we can work on this problem statement so that we can restore the market on the least amount of time. And we are the first exchange across the globe which can restore the services of the exchange and clearing corporation in less than 30 minutes, while the 45 minutes is the target given by the regulatory body. And I'm very proud to say that probably NSE is right now the only exchange in India and only exchange in the globe which can restore the services. You would have seen recently as recent as last 2 days, as well as last 6-7 months, many exchanges went down for 5-6 hours in a day. Sometimes they did not come up for 2-3 days as well. They were out of service. So you can imagine the amount of loss of the capital market to that region. And while we are the capital market for India, and we own the 97% of the business in India. And we really are responsible, and we really feel us accountable for running the capital market of this country. We have ensured that we are fully resilient, fault tolerant, and highly available systems which can be swung to availability in 45 minutes to the other sites if one side goes down. So these were all, I think I would say, are the boons of this difficult period which we have gone through. But it has brought us several years ahead, and I'm pretty sure now the sky is the limit. Even if we are hopefully coming out of this bad patch, and there's a at the end of the dark tunnel there's a ray of light, and we can definitely will be growing multi-pronged by keeping the lot of these leaves of learnings from this period, and make this society much more safer, healthier to run, and reduce the various overheads to the environment which this humanity causes to the Mother Earth and environment. So thank you very much. Thank you, Ilette, for giving me this opportunity to speak and to give this stage and awarding these efforts. Thank you very much to Dr. Ravi and the entire Ilette Media team.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for joining us, and pleasure to see you again after a long time, although virtually. You have been our speaker and our mentor, I think, for the last 6 to 7 years since we started our BFSI journey. You have always been our keynote speaker and our author in our BFSI magazine. So I think that what you are doing in this National Stock Exchange of India Limited is unprecedented, not only in India, but globally. And Indian Stock Exchange doing these miracles of like having all the processes digital and all the processes getting fulfilled under 5 minutes or 10 minutes, it really, really makes each of us proud. As we all talk about Atmanirbhar Bharat, I think what you are doing is an exemplary example of what Indians can do and what we as a country can achieve. So hats off to you, and we are proud to present you the BFSI GameChanger Award, and hats off and kudos to you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for your kind words.
So anybody wants to work in technology in the BFSI sector can draw inspiration from Mr. Bhasin, Mr. Shiv Kumar Bhasin. He has been instrumental in driving technology in this sector. And I think it's an honor to have him here. Congratulations once again to Mr. Bhasin. And now we'll be moving on to the next award. And can we have the awards on screen, please? I request my team to please present the next award on screen.
I think while our team is putting up the next award, let me again welcome all our delegates who have joined a bit late, and all our award winners who have joined us. And I think we have had who's who of the Indian banking leaders in the digital sector with us. And we are extremely proud of the achievements our digital leaders are making in making our banking digital in the country. Hats off to all of them.
Yes, and also the audience which are watching us live right now. I must thank you for being here with us, and I'm sure you must be getting a lot of inspiration from these leaders who are talking about their experiences, also the challenges and opportunities of, especially in the times of COVID-19 pandemic. And it's our honor to always talk to them and share the success mantras with us. And the next award now, this award goes to Jaya Janardhan. And Jaya Janardhanan is the Chief Operating Officer for IndoStar Capital Finance. We present this award to you, Jaya, the BFSI GameChanger Award 2021 for your exemplary contribution to the BFSI sector. Can we have the winner on screen? And congratulations to you, and request you to say a few words, please.
Thank you so much, Alex. I'm sorry I'm in the airport, so if there's some noise, just pardon me for that. I think all the winners before have been talking about the need for being digital and to be there. So, the way I look at it is, if you're not there, you've lost the game. And therefore, it's very critical for us to be there when the changes are happening. And the other piece which I think I would like to share, everybody over here is, as a business, we have been there for the customers. We are there for, we are now here for the customers. We were there for the customers, and we have to do everything for the customer. So customer is the center for everything. While we can say that the last 2 years, last 1.5 years, pandemic, we've done a lot of stuff for in the organizations of digital, but it's very essential for the customers to accept what you do. So everything that you do has to be done for the customers. So as an organization, IndoStar, we are going through a huge digital transformation, and we have made sure that everything that the customer is, that we do is for the customer. I'll actually not tell more because there's too much of noise here. So probably I'll kind of speak about it later at some point of time. Thank you once again for the award. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Jaya. Thanks for joining us. And your point about making a customer-centric organization is very, very critical. Thank you for highlighting this. And congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Many, many congratulations. And now we'll be moving on to the next award. And I request my team to please present that award on screen, please. And this award goes to Mr. Prasanna Lohar. He's Head of Digital Innovation Architecture, DCB Bank. A great expert. He has great knowledge and understanding, and someone can draw inspiration from him. From years, he's doing innovations in this BFSI sector. We present this BFSI Game Changer Award to you, Mr. Prasanna, for your great work and contribution to the sector of BFSI. So please, if I request Mr. Prasanna to please come on screen and say a few words, please.
Just a second.
Yes.
Yeah, so I think I'm not sure whether I'm visible properly. Yeah, so thank you so much, Elites Group and Mr. Ravi Gupta and Karthik for this outstanding award. So I think it's been a great journey for DCB Bank since last 5-6 years, right? And the way I think I'm participating Elites, right? It has always given us a kind of a motivation and inspiration to be always part of this event. So I think every year so religiously and so as a discipline we get invites, and it's great to see that to represent a bank at this such a nice conference and carry this award, which will really bring on more smiles onto the team and gives a more momentum to build many more innovations for the bank. Apart from bank, we are looking at how we can collaborate with other banks and other RBI entities like IFCA or IDRBT and IBM, so that we bring more innovations around adoption of emerging technology. Sooner or later, you will hear for those news here onwards. So thank you so much once again for this award.
Thank you.
And I congratulate all the other panelists and all the other friends who are receiving this award. I just request if I can see the award once again, I can take a screenshot. I forgot to take it. Yeah.
Yes. We will have it on the screen. Colleague to have it.
May I request my team to please present that award once again on screen, please?
And nobody we will send you the screenshot anyway. So don't worry because of that. Yes.
Thank you so much.
So happiest congratulations, Prasanna, and glad to see you after a long time. Although virtually we had been meeting in the physical events so many times. And hats off to you and your team for your exemplary initiatives in the IT sector. Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations. And now we'll be moving on to the next award. And this award goes to Mr. Amol Desai, Chief Information Security Officer of Reliance Nippon Life Insurance Company. Congratulations, Mr. Desai, for receiving the BFSI Game Changer Award 2021 for your exemplary contribution to the BFSI industry. Can we have Mr. Desai on screen, please? And I request you to please say a few words.
Hello, team. Am I audible here?
Yes.
Okay. Firstly, thanks to Elites for this Game Changer awards and the entire set of events which were lined up past 3 days. Spectacular events. The biggest game changer that had been for our industry, as in BF insurance industry, had been supportive in the times of requirement of insurance clearances. The industry was looking at faster processes of clearances, and for which digitization initiatives, transformation initiatives were designed up at a very fast speed. Now, I know security has been pursued as a no-no or as a hurdle all the time. But then we really had a transformation within the security operations also. So which led to successfully driving the management initiatives, and the priorities in the post-COVID had really changed. Also, security had been seen as an enabler now. So we have built in, baked in the, while designing the applications, while developing the applications, we have enabled our teams, development teams, so that they are the best people to know where a risk would exist in an application. And that has made a lot of difference to the quality of output of the development. So baking in the process of security within the development has helped us a lot. I would like to continue the momentum of this, the period which we have gone through, the digital transformation. And this has been an opportunity for us to learn, to evolve from it. And we will like to keep the continuum and the momentum of the same. Thanks to Dr. Ravi Gupta. Thanks, Karthik, for getting us a platform here. And it's been a very spectacular event for the year. Actually, ELETS had given a right platform. Thanks to all the winners of the awards. Thanks a lot.
Congratulations, Amolji. Thanks for joining in. And I think your organization has taken so many fantastic digital initiatives, and we at the BFSI Post and ELETS thought it's important that we recognize and encourage these initiatives. So congratulations and hats off to you, and thank you.
Thanks, team.
Thank you, Mr. Amol. Congratulations. And now we'll be moving on to the next award. I request my team to please present the award on screen. And the award goes to Ashen D. Cruz, Director and Chief Administrative Officer, Chief Information Security Officer in NetWest Markets PLC India. Congratulations, D. Cruz. We hereby present this BFSI GameChanger award to you for your exemplary contribution to the BFSI industry. Can we have the winner on screen, please? Can we have the award winner on screen? Quickly give a thank you note, please. Yes, you are not visible, but can you start speaking, please?
Yeah, I guess I'm having some technical issues, so I'm very quick. Thank the team and those teams for much appreciated as a good recognition for the two awardees too.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, many congratulations. And now we move on to the next award in this series of recognizing the leaders, the game changers of the BFSI sector. I request my team to present the next award on screen, please. And this award goes to Mr. Sameer Shetty, Head of Digital Business and Transformation in Axis Bank. Please have Mr. Sameer on screen and please say a few words, Mr. Shetty.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Sameer. Congratulations.
Hi, good afternoon, and thank you. And thank you for having me, and thank you for the honor. I wanted to thank everybody on the attending the event and congratulate the other winners as well. Digital for Axis Bank has been quite central to our progress and our evolution. Over the last year, there are a number of things that we've done, including launching many new digital products, as well as making a very significant move to the cloud. 100% of the consumer-facing products that we launched in the last year have been cloud native. And we have an aspiration of moving 70% of our apps to the cloud in the next 2 years. So there's a significant journey that we've taken up, in addition to doing a bunch of things to ensure that we are resilient, secure, and we are offering our customers a seamless experience. So it's great to see some of this being recognized, and I want to thank you and everybody else for this.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So thank you so much, Mr. Sameer, for being here, and we move on to the next award with that. And I request my team to present the next award winner here. And this award goes to Mr. Dhimant Thakur, Head of Digital Banking in Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. He presents this BFSI GameChanger Award 2021 to you, Mr. Thakur, for your exemplary contribution in the BFSI sector. By congratulating you, I request you to say a few words quickly, please. Mr. Dhimant, yes, we can see you. Please.
Thank you. Thanks so much, ELETS, for conferring this award on me. I humbly accept this on behalf of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. We started this journey of digitization and with a renewed focus on digital a little over a year and a half back. And that was the time when COVID had just hit. So it was challenging times. And in that times, we have done our bit. And it's quite encouraging that forums such as yourself are recognizing the efforts of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. I mean, it's really great for our team as well. So thank you so much. What I would also like to just add is, the last 2 years have been quite challenging for the industry. I think the industry itself, BFSI industry itself, has done a lot of work on digital in their own ways. Some large organizations have done at a different scale. Smaller organizations have done at their own scale. But everything has been done with a focus on customer as well as employees and employee well-being. That is quite commendable, and it's great that you are recognizing all these efforts. So thank you so much again. Thank you.
Congratulations, Dhimant. Great to have you with us, and the kind of a digital transformation you have led at your bank has been exemplary, and we at BFSI Post and ELETS are happy to honor you as a BFSI game changer.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Congratulations, Dhimant. Thank you. And we move on to the next award, and I request my team to present the next award winner on screen, please. Mr. Damodaran Chambat. Mr. Damodaran, who is Chief Risk Officer of Federal Bank. I feel pleasure and honor to present this BFSI GameChanger Award 2021 in presence of Dr. Ravi Gupta to you for your exemplary contribution to the BFSI industry. Mr. Damodaran, please say a few words.
Yeah. Hello.
Yes, please.
Am I audible?
Yes, very much. Congratulations.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for the award. The function was also, the entire program was also organized in a very good manner. This is a very timely one which you have done. Congratulations for all the organizers of this. So thank you for the award. We are going through very challenging times, but digital is being used more, and this pandemic has that is one bright side of the pandemic, that it has I will not call it bright side, but for survival, actually everybody has, even household after households have moved on to the digital platform for conducting their financial transactions. So it has acted as a catalyst and out of necessity. Congratulations for the whole team for organizing this in a very timely manner. Thank you for the award.
Congratulations, Damodaranji. Thanks for being here, and congratulations to you and your team for your exemplary initiatives. Thank you.
Congratulations, Damodaran. Thank you so much. And we move on to the next award. Can we have the next award on screen, please? And now we proudly present this BFSI Game Changer Awards 2021 to Neosoft Technologies. Neosoft Technologies for Best Digital Service Innovator. And to receive this award, I invite Sangeeta Chalak, Digital Transformation Head of Neosoft. And this awards, which we are now dedicating to the IT industry leaders. And in that category, the first award for Neosoft, and Sangeeta is here to receive this award. Many, many congratulations, Sangeeta.
Thank you so much, Karthik. Thank you, Dr. Ravi. Good evening, everyone.
Yes, please say a few words.
Thank you. Yeah, it's a pleasure to participate at this summit, at the BFSI Game Changer Summit. And it's an honor to receive the award for the Best Digital Service Innovator Award. So thank you for this recognition. I would just like to say a few words on behalf of Neosoft Technologies. We have been pivotal in delivering innovative banking solutions for most of the leading BFSI clients. And sorry. And we have catered to the diverse demands of this industry, especially during the pandemic time when we were all enforced indoors and working on remote operations. I think we had the privilege to be the digital accelerators and help them in all these endeavors of getting everything remote, and at the same time maintain a wonderful customer experience for their clients. So it has been a wonderful journey with the BFS sector, and we look at more opportunities in the future. Thank you so much for this award.
Congratulations, Sangeeta. Congratulations, Neosoft, for
thank you so much.
Enabling the digital transformation of banking sector in the country in a good way. And I think industry has been great support in these challenging times. And hats off to you and your organization, Neosoft, for digital leaders. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Many, many congratulations, Sangeeta. And now we'll be moving on to the next award. And can we have the next award on screen, please? And we proudly present the BFSI Game Changer Awards 2021 to BMC for Digital Transformation Partner of the Year. And to receive this award, I welcome Mr. Sunil Thakur, the Country Director for BMC Software, to please come on screen and receive this award for Digital Transformation Partner of the Year, BFSI Game Changer Summit Awards, BMC.
Thank you, Karthik, and thank you, Dr. Ravi. First of all, let me convey my heartiest appreciation to all. This exemplary effort of many that we hear of, and of course, the stalwarts that we heard today, helped us wade through this very, very tough times. Now, from BMC, we feel great delight to be chosen to get respect from this wonderful organization, Elite Media. Now, BMC has a history of innovation, which began very early in 1980s and through to our current vision of an enterprise of 2021, which we call the autonomous digital enterprise. Now, we all know that we are in uncharted territory as we navigate the ongoing humanitarian and economic aspects and impacts of coronavirus. But when we achieve a sustained stability, these digital enterprises will continue to advance rapidly. But we all also know that there is no magic reset button. Organizations do not have the luxury of putting their business on hold while they're innovating for future. So at BMC, we have been working closely with our customers all through the times through intelligent solutions. And these solutions have helped them gain efficiencies to free up resources that could be utilized to develop these new services, probably provide better customer services, have new services launched, or a great employee experience. Largely what I'm talking about is reinventing for the future. We call this run and reinvent. Hence, for us, this is an amazing moment to be recognized for this work. So please accept my heartfelt thanks for this priceless honor. And what I must commit is that we will continue to work and support all our customers through these unprecedented times. Once again, a big thank you, and it's my great pleasure to receive this award.
Congratulations, Sunil, and I think your organization, BMC, has taken so much effort in helping our banks become more resilient, more digitally enabled and digitally agile. And thank you for helping them and supporting them. And at the end of the day, when our banks are more agile, I think the country as a whole becomes much agile and faster and better. So congratulations, big time, and great to see you. I think after a decade, I think we have met face to face a decade back. I think you. So good to see you.
Ravi, good to see you as well. And you remain the same 10 years before to now. Nothing is changed. You are as smiling, as jovial. So thank you for keeping that spirit high up, even in these very, very difficult times. But I am telling you, this is a team sport. We are all in it together. I think we have all together done very well to come out of the way we have come out. And I think we'll take the country forward in a big way. So again, thank you for the honor, Ravi, and thank you for inviting us.
Congratulations. Hats off to you and your team.
Right, Mr. Sunil Thakur, and as the logo tagline suggests, run and reinvent. I think rightly said, and congratulations to BMC Software and Sunil Thakur, Country Director BMC Software, for receiving this award. And now we'll be moving on to the next award, to another corporate leadership in the IT industry, and BFSI GameChanger Awards 2021, proudly presented to Quality Kiosk, Excellence in Future Banking. And to receive this award, we have here Mr. Sanjeev Chuk, Head of Cloud BU and Service Delivery Excellence. He is here to receive this award. We welcome you, Mr. Sanjeev, to receive this award and request you to please say a few words.
Thank you. Thank you, ELETS. I think so. First of all, congratulations to all the award winners. And this has been an excellent event. Dr. Raviji, I think so. As rightly said, this is a team sport. And I think so. Every organization in this country has done very well during the pandemic. And I think so. We are really blessed, I would say, as a motherland where, we have such great minds, and it's a brain share which is actually taking us out. And really the summit is also having a very apt name, which is Game Changing. I think so it is in fact a game changing challenge which all of us took together as one team, India team. And I think so we have done it and announced it to the globe that, okay, yes, we are there in every situation, and we are not only partnering for a Indian community, but across the globe. I think so the contributions from each and every one of us in our teams and the warriors who have been in the forefront who has made this possible. And I think so it's the next era of the cloud and the digital revolution. So I think so it's going to continue. And I think so we all are really, some of us are already future ready. Some of us are, getting future ready. So I would again like to really thank ELETS Media and all the panelists, and the last 3 days have been wonderful, excellent event, and really honored to be, in this event. And thank you for presenting the BFSI Game Changing Award 2021 for Excellence in Future Banking to Quality Kiosk. I am also truly honored and, to receive this on behalf of each and every QKI. I think so all of them in my team, our teams have been warriors on the forefront. We've been going to office. Some of them have been in office, 24/7. I also remember there are support teams who run enablement teams, every function. It's not only the delivery, but every function in QK actually deserves this credit. And I think so it's even a greater honor to be nominated among such distinguished categories. And, Quality Kiosk has always strived to offer futuristic and innovative solutions, not only to our BFSI partners, but our emerging vertical partners also. And we assure that with continued support from our customers, our QKI's employees, all of you, and what we have learned through this wonderful summit, I think so it even motivates us more and helps us to even take future game-changing challenges and again be here next year with some more innovations and probably be a partner with this event again. Thank you so much, Dr. Ravi ji. It's again very, very nice to be associated with you. Thank you, Karthik, to you and your team for organizing this event wonderfully. And for the country, I would just like to say Jai Hind and salute to all the warriors who have really fought in this pandemic. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sanjeev. Congratulations for the game-changing initiatives taken by your organization, Quality Kiosk. And your organization is on the front foot of actually digital enablement of banks, new banking, and various other initiatives which your organization is taking are really noteworthy. And we are proud to have you as your organization as an award winner at this BFSI GameChanger Awards. Congratulations. Hats off.
Thanks, Raviji. Thanks to everyone and congratulations to all the winners. And with all humbleness, we accept this award on behalf of each and every QKI, and it's an honor to receive it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Sanjeev. And now it's time to move on towards the closing of this award ceremony. And I'll request now Dr. Ravi Gupta, the founder and CEO of Elite's Technomedia and editor-in-chief of the Banking and Finance Post magazine, to please deliver the closing remarks.
Let me thank all our award winners for their presence. I congratulate each of them. And each of us is part of a team, and with a team which is called Team India. We are all in it together. We are all in it together to change the banking scenario or the overall BFSI scenario of the country for the better, so that our citizens, or the common man, is able to get their banking, financial, and insurance products seamlessly without any hurdles on a digitally enabled platform like a mobile or a simple computer. And we at Elites are committed to create awareness about innovation in BFSI sector. We are bringing the leading bankers and the technology companies together so that best practices of the industry are shared. And as we all know, knowledge, when it is shared, it actually grows. It does not decrease. So I think in the last 3 days, we have heard more than 75 top leaders of the industry here. I think not many events happen at this scale in the BFSI sector in this country, and Elites is proud to host such a high level event and high impact event. And also thank you all the delegates who have joined us here. I think amazing response we have from all the banking sector delegates have been attending, and also the industry has been participating in this event in a big way. And let me thank all our sponsors for joining us here, and thanks for all your support to this event. And let me assure each of the delegates who are here that Elites is committed to organize such high-level conferences in the BFSI sector to propagate knowledge of innovations in this sector. Every quarter, we are going to bring such high-level, high-impact events so that it accelerates the digital adoption of in the banking sector. Let me also inform you that we are holding high-level events like this in the governance sector, in the education sector, in the health sector, and several other sectors every month. I request you to visit our website, elitesonline.com, and look at the various events which are upcoming. And I will say that it will really help each of us if we increase our knowledge. Like every small improvement every day counts, and every innovation which is happening by someone else can be replicated by your organization, and you can also grow your organization. So with this, thank you everyone. And let me request Karthik to end this session. And before that happens, let me put on record my appreciation for our sponsors. And this event has presented partner by AWS. Our powered by partner has been Backbase. AI-driven cybersecurity partner has been BlackBerry. Our digital cybersecurity partner has been IBM Inspira. Our security partner has been Fortinet. Our SaaS technology partner is BMC. Our runtime architect partner is Bersec. Our artificial intelligence partner is Simplify AI. Cybersecurity partner is Enable. Our associate partner is Worldly Kiosk. Our networking partner is MuleSoft. Our knowledge partner is ScoreMe. Our emerging tech partner has been Trust 01. Our reward partner has been Compass. So thank you everyone, and handing over to Karthik.
Thank you, Dr. Ravi Gupta, and for this closing remarks. And thank you again to our partners. Thank you the team of ILETS, and especially the team of Banking and Finance vertical of ILETS for putting up such a wonderful event. Industry leaders, the IT leaders, the banking and finance sector thought leaders, all were present, and all the discussions were very timely and on a very wonderful interactive discussion. And we'll see you will see those interactions up on social media. And we right now you all are on this virtual 3D platform, an in-house virtual platform by ILETS Technomedia, which is called Avatar. There you can see all the sessions as well, the past sessions. You can watch on demand. You can go and check the various interesting discussions on very interesting topics and related to the current scenario and the digital transformation which has happened in the industry. So it is a great event, and we look forward to the next events in not only in banking and finance sector, but also in governance, healthcare, education, smart city, urban development, various other sectors. We'll be doing events, and on eletsonline.com, you can see our calendar for the upcoming events. And also you can see our past events anytime, whenever you want. So with this, now we close this second ILETS BFSI GameChanger Summit. And we would like to thank you, the audience, and please be in touch. Please stay connected, stay safe. We'll be meeting again quite soon. Namaste.
विश्व में हमने युवाओं की आईटी एनर्जी के माध्यम से अपना एक रुतबा खड़ा किया है और भारत इसके बात के लिए गर्व कर सकता है। दुनिया में हम आंख में आंख मिला करके बात कर सकते हैं। और ये मेरा साथ, मैं हमेशा कहता आया हूँ, आईटी प्लस आईटी इज इक्वल टू आईटी। इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी प्लस इंडियन टैलेंट इज इक्वल टू इंडिया टुमारो।